Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change practice arena player and team in FC24. So first and foremost, FC24 is a newly released game with enhanced gaming experience for players who love the football genre. With real-world athlete data, the game aims to provide players with the most unique and authentic experience. You'll probably have thought of a few athlete names for yourself. So now, if you want to train with a specific player or football team in the practice arena, you'll first need to set the team as your favorite. First, you'll need to go to the settings and profile manager. There, you will be able to see a list of teams you can choose from. For instance, if you want to be Ronaldo, you'll need to choose the team he plays for. In this case, you'll want to choose Al Nasser. Then you'll want to go back to the main menu and select Learn to Play from the menu. And you'll want to select the practice arena to start practicing. And once you're in the practice arena, you can now see that Ronaldo is on the bench. In order to change to your favorite athlete, you'll want to send the current player to the bench and move your favorite player to the lineup. After that, you'll be able to play and practice as your chosen character. And since each of the football athletes in the game have different data stats, the way you play each player is going to be different. By being able to practice as your favorite team or team members, you'll gain a thorough understanding of how the players work. Once you have a good knowledge of how things work for the team, you'll have a great chance of winning your matches. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.